Friends, today is our we are sending you a video of our school, Kotri school. Here is our garden, what we made with the help of our children before 3 months ago. It has been destroyed in that rains, what we got now. And here is a bike, what we use for the ministry work, and here is the clothing of our children, what we put to dry. And right now we will going to show you our kitchen, and here is our kitchen. This is our cooking place, and here is our pots, and this is all our kitchen, and this is our classroom. And that roof is not very strong, as you can see. That roof is not strong. It is just made with by grass, and all the children over here is studying. Now we are going to show you our toilet. That condition is very bad, and I believe you guys will be pray for us, and that will be help us to. That is the entrance of our toilet, and that as we don't have door here, this is not door. We just put the cloth over it, and that is the entrance side. This is the toilet seat, what our children use, and that is grass, what we put around it. So brothers and sisters, please pray for us. And that is our washroom. So now we are moving back to our classroom. That is our toilet, and please pray for us, so God will be provide us to give our children much more conditions. And here is coolers, water coolers, that our children use for drinking water. So please pray for us that God bless us with water filter. More children is coming in classroom, and now we will talk to Brother Victor what he feel about this.
Friends, thank you for prayers. We just made this video for you all to show the condition of this school, as we need to build a washroom here, and also we need made a proper kitchen, washroom, and a toilet. And also you have seen the all in the video, our roof is not the good condition, and here we have many children. So friends, please join us and pray for us, so God will make a way, so we will be able to make and build this washroom, toilet, and our this school roof. So thank you, and God bless you all. Please join us in prayer and continue. Children, say hi.